Hey guys. So let's see if this goes better this time. I actually have a heating pad on my phone because the battery dies quick in the cold. Colt, come on. There's just 9 people watching right now. No, someone made a snow angel. How cute. This is Garrett. You guys don't get to see much of him because he works 60, 70 hours a week. And Colt is like way off in the distance. Do you guys have snow right now? Here. Heel. It's just such a beautiful winter wonderland. Yes, lots of snow. No, sadly no. Yes. So a little bit of both. We haven't gotten snow this year, except for probably like 2, what was it? It like didn't even last like an hour or something. It's just like a frosting sorta. But yeah, right now the snowflakes aren't as big as earlier. That was like magical. So whoever joined me for that, hope you guys enjoyed that live. Just gonna take a picture. Colt. I think he's going to the restroom. And of course he is. So hopefully my phone lasts longer. I didn't even get an alert last time when it died. So I don't know how to make sure it doesn't die. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just do a shorter live this time so that I can save it. JC's like, you're a loser. You're nice. Guys, she's joking if you don't know that. Here in Michigan, the snow is crazy. I'm actually from California and Michigan, so I understand how Michigan's is. I love it. I live in Canada, of course I do. It's awesome. Canada, eh? I'm only joking. Colt is staring at the ducks. You can see the pointer in him because he's pointing at them. He's so funny. Oh God, I almost slid down a hill. It's hard to see where the snow is, like where the ground is when the snow is covering it. Oops, my jacket. Sorry guys. My glove was covering the camera a little bit. Come on. Liverpool, England. Sounds like a very nice place to be. You're not gonna watch this whole thing? How rude, JC. Just kidding. Say hi to her. Arrow. That's my bestie's dog, if you guys are confused in what's happening right now. She's on the live, and Arrow normally hears my voice or Colt or whatever and gets really excited. The same the other way too. Come here. You love the snow? You having fun? Here, wait, stay. I'm gonna try and make a snowball. That's not working. He loves eating snowballs. Oh. He just knocked a ton of snow on himself. Yes, I did that on purpose. Colt was looking at me like, what the heck, Mom? Oh, I wasn't saying Liverpool was bad. Hope you didn't think that. Not at all. Wow. I'm sorry if I came off that way. That's not what I was saying. It's probably just because I'm focused on what I'm doing and not... My tone might have been weird. I'm sorry. Give Colt some loving from his auntie. Colt, JC loves you. Hey, Colt, you want to see JC and Arrow? You want to see them? Where are they? Where's JC? Where's Arrow? So excited. Where'd Daddy go? Go find Daddy. Go search. Oh my gosh, he slipped really crazy right there for a second. Oh gosh, there's a crazy dog coming our way. Well guys, you know, I have enjoyed our live. I'm gonna go now because I'm freezing. My phone is probably freezing. It's gonna die and then I'm not gonna have this live again. But you guys are awesome and I'm thankful for all of you and your support and love. And we'll talk later. Okay, bye.